kung sino si TheraBreath. Now, let me introduce to you guys who TheraBreath really is by discussing a little bit more of what's important to TheraBreath. Paano ba siya nagsimula? Ano ba ang importante kay TheraBreath? So let's start with that for today. So if you can see over here to our slide, I'll tell you a little story about TheraBreath. So on our next slide, you can see it's a funny story, right? So our next slide, ayan, is our dentist formulated and rooted in science, yung ating TheraBreath. Dr. Harold Katz, may daughter siya. She had a daughter. And her daughter had bad breath. And his solution is to make a mouthwash for her daughter. So that's how TheraBreath really started. It's quite endearing that he made a mouthwash just for her daughter. And now it's a #1 mouthwash in the US already. So quite humble beginnings to now, what? A #1 mouthwash in the Philippines. And if you can see on our next slide, right? We have the key trends in driving category growth when it comes to mouthwashes, right? So the first one is good oral care is good self-care. Diba? Nakakalimutan kasi natin mag-mouthwash. We forget to do mouthwash. Who doesn't use mouthwash? Just toothbrush. Lahat kayo nagma-mouthwash? Magkakami lang talaga tayo. Sino hindi nagma-mouthwash dito? Toothbrush lang. More than, kumaga, on a weekly basis, you only brush your teeth. Wow! You know why they didn't raise their hands? Because they know TheraBreath is here. Nagpapag-good shot sila sa TheraBreath. Pero alam ko na most of us don't really do mouthwash. Toothbrush is enough. That's the common mindset, right? But increasing awareness among consumers for oral hygiene and becoming the best, healthiest version of themselves. Now, what's the second category for growth? Now, it's taking care of your oral health is something you should want to do and not have to do. It shouldn't be a chore, right? Hindi dapat siya ginagawa dahil kailangan ko gawin. Dahil ginagawa ko siya dahil maganda siya para sa akin. And usually, ba't tayo nag-a-avoid ng mouthwash? Any guesses? Ba't kayo nag-a-avoid ng mouthwash? Maanghang! Oh, #1 sagot yan. Ano pa? Ngilo. Yes. So, in English, it's, ano yung sinabi? Ngilo. Nahirapan ako doon. It stings, right? It stings. Why? Because usually mouthwash has alcohol, right? That's why it stings, it burns. What's the third category for growth? Now, mouthwash can meet both functional and emotional needs. Bakit emotional pag mouthwash? Why? Bakit? Binalik niya yung tanong sa akin. Active si mommy over here. Oh. So, bakit emotional? Because oral health is part of our entire self. Di ba hindi kayo masyadong confident pag di maganda yung suot nyo? Right? Hindi kayo confident pag medyo may amoy sa underarm. Same with oral. Right? Oral health. Pag hindi ka confident na ganon, hindi ka nagsasalita masyado, medyo madadepress ka. Medyo hindi ka makikipag-socialize. Then that affects you emotionally. So these are the three, right? So on the next slide as well, ano naman ngayon ang TheraBreath? TheraBreath is powered by oxygen, TF, di ba? To help fight bad bacteria. Paano? I-explain ko mamaya. It's clinically shown to fight bad breath for 12 hours. 12 hours. So kung meron kayong isi-screenshot for your caption, ito na yun. Di ba? Ito na yun. So sa next slide natin, ano yung benefit? Ito na yung sinabi ni Mami kanina. No sting. No burn. Just real, lasting freshness. Hinarangan ko pa dito. Yan. So ano pa? Kosher, halal, non-burning, no sulfates, no dyes, gluten-free, certified vegan, and cruelty-free, right? So bakit siya, no color? Because wala kaming nilalagay na dye. Di ba may ibang mouthwash, anong mga kulay? Matingkad. Kung ano-anong kulay ang meron. Pero pag tinry nyo later, ang TheraBreath in one of our booths, kung makikita nyo, it's clear. No color. Right? Hindi na kailangan idagdag kung hindi kailangan idagdag. Sapat ka na. Next slide, please. Ayan, so paano nagagawa ni TheraBreath yun? Let me explain the science of TheraBreath, right? So on our next slide, now mouthwash offers the benefit of reaching areas not easily accessed by toothbrush. Ito yung sinasabi ng mga dentist nyo. Wag lang toothbrush, wag lang floss, but also, ano yun? Wag lang toothbrush, wag lang floss, but also, anong brand? Tama ka sa So next slide tayo. So why use alcohol-free mouthwash? Like what we said, marami sa atin nangingilo. Marami sa atin maanghang sa bibig, hindi kaya, sensitive. Right? Not all can take alcohol-based mouthwash. So that's the first. Two, nakaka-dry siya ng bibig. So, lalong magkakaroon ng mga cracking or what have you, right? I'm not a dentist, but in experience, if I take alcohol-based mouthwash, it stings, sometimes it burns. Especially if I gargle too long, right? But with TheraBreath, even if I gargle for a little bit longer than what's prescribed, there's no stinging. And I feel fresh, and I feel free. So next slide. Ano ba yung nagkakos ng bacteria? Again, kung meron kayong screenshot, ito na yon para sa inyong mga caption. Ano ba yung cause ng bad breath? Bacteria, dry mouth, gum disease, diet, nakaka-cause din yan ha, smoking, and other medical conditions. So there's a wide variety of causes of bad breath, pero feel ko ang number one dito, bacteria. Bacteria, usually, common case yan. So that's everything. Now, next slide natin. So, paano sinusolve yung TheraBreath yan? Step 1. Meron tayong anaerobic bacteria that survives without oxygen. Kasi di ba pag nag-exhale tayo, carbon dioxide, di ba? So, produce volatile sulfur compounds. Now, TheraBreath, pag pumasok si TheraBreath, it has our potent pH balance formula na derived siya from sodium chloride. Hindi nyo alam, magsa-science lesson pala tayo today. Pero ito na yon, sodium chloride that produces oxygenating power. Kaya powered by oxygen. Okay? Now, paano ine-eliminate ni oxygen yung bacteria? Since ayaw ni bacteria ng oxygen, and sodium chloride produces oxygen, namamatay siya. So pag walang bacteria, walang problema. Diba? Dahil fresh. So yun yung science behind TheraBreath. Naiintindihan ba natin? Alam niyo na yung sasabihin niyo sa TikTok post niyo? Anong sasabihin niyo sa TikTok post? Baba ako. Kailangan, I need to know if you learned what I taught you guys today. So, anong sasabihin niyo sa TikTok post niyo?
May oxygen, walang mabawang hininga.
Dahil, saan makukuha ang oxygen?
Sodium chloride.
And sino ang may sodium chloride?
TheraBreath.
Kuha na. A+. Oo, bigyan niya ng ano? Pamumugi ng TheraBreath. Alright, so that's how TheraBreath works, right? So hopefully you understood it even further. Hopefully this helps you create content later on, ha? So, yeah, next slide tayo. So of course, as well, TheraBreath in the US is actually a digital-first mentality. In the US account natin, meron tayong 577,000 plus followers and 49,000 plus Instagram followers. And gusto naming maulit yan here in the Philippines. How? Meron kayong QR code? Where are your passports? Pakibuksan yung house lights. Asan yung mga passports ninyo? Yung may QR sa likod. Yung claim stub, may QR code yan. Ayan. Now, ilabas nyo yung mga cellphone, iscan nyo yung QR code. Don't worry, hindi virus yan, ha? Scan nyo lang yung QR code. And then it will lead you to our TikTok account. It's Terra Breath Philippines. Full. Terra Breath Philippines. So if you can't scan the QR code, just search on TikTok, Terra Breath Philippines, and click follow. Hindi to sapilitan, ha? Hindi to sapilitan. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. If you only want to. But I'm making it easier for you guys to actually follow the TikTok page. Alright, so I think that's it, right? I think that's it. What's our next slide? Alright, that's it. But just to instill everything that I've discussed with you even further, let me show you this video. Right? Oh, not the video just yet. Alright. Oh, not the video just yet. But since nakikita ko na medyo meron ng humihikab doon, sino yung humihikab dyan? Let's play an icebreaker. So what's yawning already? Let's play an icebreaker so everyone gets a little pump of energy here for today. Let's play an icebreaker. What's our icebreaker game? It's pass the ball. So we'll be playing music. You just have to